YouTube Free Swimmer here. I went ahead and got my Stockman going like I had previously in the 540 gallon tank 5 years ago. I did them a little different but still very similar, and they are working quietly and perfectly. Because this is a little bit bigger return pump than I had in the 540. Be it as it may, it's a 450, but I also had a FX6 in that for more turnover and more water conditioning. I went ahead and did some drilling. I had to do a bunch of research and found exact orifice flow for different diameter holes. In this one, I have 3/8 inch, 30 holes, and it estimates at gravity drop about 907 gallons per hour. I had to do it by minutes and then multiply, blah blah blah. And this one was already pre-drilled for another tank, but I wanted to make it work here, so it had 24 holes. I made 9 of those 1/2 inch. There were 15, let's see, 14, there's a total of 27, 28 holes in it, so yeah, 15 at 3/8, 9 at 1/2 inch, and then I did 1/4 inch, 4 1/4 inch holes, and that's supposed to flow 918 gallons, so you're looking at 1,825 gallons, and with my head loss and my 90s, all the water flow that isn't coming back into the tank from the 2,400 gallon per hour pump, that makes it right around 1,750, 1,775 gallons per hour returning. So that means I have about 30 gallons per hour to 40 gallons per hour more going down than coming up. I know the weir holes flow is exact. I'm not exact on the return pump flow, but I do know it's less because filling it up, it's been running for a little bit, and if we look at the 2 lines, or the 3 lines, the middle line is where it's been since it started running again about 5 minutes ago. And I put a cushy pad on the bottom there. It's a high density, super fine filter pad, and I use that to quiet the sound there. There's no more gurgling sound at all. The only sound we hear is a little bit of that beastly mag drive 2400 motor running. You might hear a little trickle, obviously, because there's trickle towers, but everything is working as it's supposed to, and the volume is just enough to know it's running. Everything is just working just fine now. I actually did put sand in this morning. You can see I put the sand in this morning because I was confident with no leaks, nothing there. I just wanted to iron out the sound, the gurgling and the overflow. Now I've got some work to do with my job, but the odds are good I'm going to go ahead and get this thing scaped today and get the light bar done with all 5 lights. And if you look here, there's actually some pretty good water circulation in this critter here, this creature. It's everything is just right. The water level. I'm can I say stoked, dude? All right. Just wanted to let everybody know where we're at. We are almost totally back in business. Next time you see this, it's going to have lighting and Scape. I'm going to try like really hard to get it done today. And if I don't get it done today, it'll be tomorrow. We got hurricane coming, so I'll probably be taking Wednesday off. Alright everybody, Thanks for checking in. Appreciate everybody following along. Any questions, any curiosities, don't hesitate. No matter how many times you do it, each one is still a new project, so yell at me later.